Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change time zone on Windows 11. Alright guys, here I have opened my laptop, and the first thing we have to do if we want to change a time zone is clicking on the date and time option right here on the bottom right corner of our screen. Then we're going to select the settings option. On the settings option, there will be some options for us, and we have to select the time and language setting, this one. Then since we want to change the time zone, we can tap on date and time. Okay, tap on it, then you can select the time zone that you want right here and just click on this option. And for example, I'm going to select this time zone. Just tap on the time zone that you want, and okay, now the time zone has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the time zone on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.